Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on X with Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor with your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Bitcoin. This is BTC, USDC, and I'm looking at the Coinbase chart. And as you can see, Bitcoin is actually rebounding nicely here. It's above the 8-day, 21-day, and 50-day moving average. And if I compare that to the triple Qs, we actually see the QQQ underperforming Bitcoin since July the 1st. If I measure from July the 1st to today, QQQ is down just over 3%. That's not even including the pullback that we saw recently down to around 687. And so even just measuring it from today, QQQ is underperforming Bitcoin. Today alone, BTC is up 1.79%, but if we measure from July the 1st from the same date, we actually see Bitcoin off the low up around 14% since the beginning of July. And so we're certainly seeing a good amount of relative strength and some of the money come back into the Bitcoin ETFs. And so I would certainly keep an eye on Bitcoin here for a potential rebound to the underside of the 200-day moving average, which right now sits around 72,000. And so I would certainly watch for Bitcoin to get towards that level, probably not in a straight line, but I would look for around 72,000 to act as a near-term ceiling here on BTC. Now, there could be a catalyst to push it even further, and that is the Clarity Act that is being debated right now in Washington. And if we get some positive news out of that, then we could certainly see Bitcoin start to rally a bit more. But I would definitely keep an eye on Bitcoin and IBIT, which is the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. It currently sits just under its 50-day moving average. Elsewhere in crypto, ETHA, the Ethereum ETF, is already above its 50-day moving average, and the Solana ETF, BSOL, is just under some near-term resistance. If I zoom out on this thing, you can see how we are really tight here and looking for a breakout in Solana. And so there is some really interesting setups developing right now in the crypto space. And if you want to learn more about it, I definitely recommend checking out what we have at stockmarketmentor.com with our service, Crypto Market Mentor. It's stockmarketmentor.com/crypto. I hope to see you there. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on X. I'll see you in the next one.